guys, welcome back to another episode of In the Kitchen with Sandy, and today we are making a shrimp and broccoli stir fry. It's out of this world. It takes just a few minutes to make. It's infused with garlic. We're going to use some sriracha, some soy, all that good stuff. So let's go over the stove and get started. Alright, in my skillet here, I'm using a little bit of olive oil and a little bit of butter because I like to use both with this dish. The butter is a little frozen, but I've got my temperature on about medium. Alright, once your butter is melted, I want you to go ahead and add your garlic in there. This is about 2 cloves of garlic. You want it to be nice and garlicky, or I want it to be nice and garlicky anyway. Just add that right in there. And then you're just going to throw your broccoli in there. Now you can cut yours a little bit smaller if you would like. As soon as that garlic hits that pan, it smells amazing. And you just want to kind of toss it around there and kind of coat that broccoli just a little bit. And we're also going to add to this a little bit of garlic salt as well. Just a little bit. If you don't have garlic salt, you can use garlic powder. But I'm not going to use any additional salt, so we're going to go ahead and use the garlic salt. I like the garlic salt. And we're going to put a lid on this, and we're going to let this go for about 3 to 4 minutes, and then we're going to add our shrimp. Alright, at this point in time, you want to go ahead and add your shrimp. Look how lovely that is already. And you know what? I like to go ahead and hit it with a little bit of more garlic salt. Just for the shrimp. This is so good. I'm going to turn the heat back up a little bit. And the shrimp won't take but just a minute to cook. And while we're letting that go, in here I've got some sriracha. I've got about 2 tablespoons and about 2 tablespoons of the low sodium soy sauce. You just want to mix that around just a little bit. Let's go ahead and add a little bit of pepper to it. Give it another stir. Look, the shrimp is turning pink already. I can't wait to dig into this. We're going to let this go cook for about another 3 or 4 minutes, and then we're going to add the sriracha soy sauce mixture. Alright, the shrimp is turning nice and pink in color, so now is a good time to go ahead and add your soy sauce and your sriracha. Now, if you're feeling a little daring, you can go ahead and throw in a few of the crushed red pepper flakes. And I'm feeling just a little daring. Look how beautiful that is. And we're going to go ahead and give that a stir. And make sure you combine it really well. See how quick and easy this comes together? So quick. And we're going to let this go again. Just hang out here for about another 1 to 2 minutes. Just to give all those flavors time to marry and just join together. And then to this, I'm also going to add a few green onions. Hey, why not, right? Look how absolutely beautiful that is. And the thing I like about it is that it comes together so quickly. Let's have a taste. You don't have a taste of the broccoli. The broccoli is cooked perfect. It's just tender enough. The shrimp is delicious. You've got the garlic, the soy sauce, and the sriracha, which gives it just a little bit of heat. This is phenomenal. I want you to try this. It takes really from start to finish, maybe 10 to 15 minutes. You're gonna love this. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, hit the notification button so you know when I put out new videos. I'm trying to put out a couple videos a week. I already have over 220 in my library here, so make sure that you check some of those out. And you know I appreciate you guys and I love you guys so very much, and I'll see you soon. Bye.